Now for a discovery which may surprise you. Scientists have found that most of us still have a little bit of a Neanderthal inside us. A study into the DNA of the human subspecies found that they interbred with modern humans tens of thousands of years ago, and their genetic mark remains today. The BBC's Palab Ghosh has more on these extraordinary findings.
60,000 years ago, our ancestors emerged from Africa. They dispersed across the globe to form the other races of the world we have today. As they left, they encountered another kind of human, much like us, the Neanderthals. This is a skull of a modern human, and this is from a Neanderthal. Look closely and you can see that this one has a slightly longer brain case. Most scientists believe that these are two separate species, and there wasn't much interaction between the two. But now we know there was interbreeding, and that all non-Africans living today are part Neanderthal.
In case you need a refresher, Neanderthals and Homo sapiens parted ways genetically about 400,000 years ago. While our great-great-grandparents stayed warm in Africa, the Neanderthals moved across the frigid tundras of Europe.
This is a Neanderthal skeleton reconstruction. In this case, as you see, he's rather similar to me. He's a little bit shorter. He's rather stocky. They were very, very muscular, strong people.
They had fire. They probably wore clothes. They even had a gene, the FOX2 gene, which suggests they could in some ways talk. So, contrary to popular belief, they could invite their ladies to the cave rather than drag them.
And the brain is very big. It's bigger than ours on average.
So, muscular, broad shoulders.
Yeah, massive, like a bodybuilder. Strong guys.
We have much more in common than you'd think. And that's why it's always been hotly debated whether, when our mob wandered into Europe much later, the two kinds of people interbred. But here's the stunning bit. People from Africa do not have this Neanderthal DNA, but the rest of us all do, which means it had to have arrived after Homo sapiens left Africa.